Hi there, my name is Ash Shukla, and I'm gonna give you a quick tip today about how to become a proper investor and not stay in this saving mode. Many times us, we want to save money and we want to conserve. So when you are saving money, savers are conservators, right? Like they're very, 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 very conservative. They're always like, oh my God, something's going to go wrong, right, in your life. And the investor always looks for opportunities to 3x, 5x, 10x, 100x their money. So my question to you is, whenever you are taking any step, right, the first step is making sure that whenever you take a step, okay, be sure that you're standing on a firm ground. When you are investing money, make sure that you stay on a firm ground. And then what you do is any penny you invest, any dollar you invest, make sure that ahead of time you calculate your odds of success and what is the X factor is going to give you, whether it's 3x, 5x, 10x, 20x, 100x. And if you do that, my friend, you can go from a saver to an investor and become the most successful person on planet Earth, like Elon Musk or perhaps even Warren Buffett. My friend, whether you become Elon Musk or Warren Buffett, it is my wish to the universe to help you become the most successful person you could be, or the most successful investor you could be. That is my wish to the universe. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate you, and I love you very, very much.